Good morning, YouTube. This is RyRy Wags coming to you from Loveland Ski Area, January 7th, 2021. Amid the COVID crisis with my face mask on, and it actually feels pretty good because it's about 15 degrees out with a little bit of wind, so pretty comfortable. And I'm all dressed up nice and warm, so almost to the top of chair number 3. I am skiing today at Loveland Valley, not the basin. This is the smaller of the Loveland Ski Area portions. If you look back here, you can see I-70 down at the bottom. I drove up I-70 to get here. It was about a 2-hour drive, a little bit longer, maybe about 2 hours and 15 minutes, roughly 2 hours. Good traffic, no issues. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my first day of the season in and day of the year in here. I hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching.